motorcycle you've been waiting for isn't the one with the biggest engine, the flashiest design, or the most advanced electronics, but instead is the one that makes every ride feel alive, raw, and unforgettable. That's exactly where the Husqvarna WR250 stakes its claim. For decades, the WR250 has been one of the most respected names in the off-road and enduro world. It's a bike that doesn't compromise, a bike that doesn't apologize, and a bike that forces you to engage, learn, and grow as a rider. It's a motorcycle built not for comfort, but for performance, and that makes it one of the most thrilling machines you can ride today. From the moment you lay eyes on a WR250, you understand that it's not just a motorcycle, it's a tool for exploration and challenge. The design is aggressive yet purposeful. High fenders keep dirt and debris away from critical components. The narrow, minimalist bodywork emphasizes lightweight agility. The tall stance signals readiness for any terrain, from rocky trails to forest tracks, gravel roads, and everything in between. There's nothing decorative or unnecessary about the WR250. Every line, every component, every inch of its geometry exists for performance. This is a motorcycle designed to go anywhere, respond instantly, and make the rider feel in command. Mount the WR250, and the difference becomes even more apparent. The seat height, slightly tall but manageable, ensures you can engage with the bike fully while giving you a commanding view of the terrain ahead. The seat itself is narrow enough for easy grip with your knees, helping you maneuver through tight trails with precision. The handlebars are wide, giving you leverage for quick direction changes and control over rough terrain. Everything about this bike puts the rider in an active position, demanding engagement but offering unmatched control. You aren't just sitting on a motorcycle, you're actively communicating with it. Your body becomes part of the machine, and every movement is amplified. At the heart of the WR250 is a 249 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine. But this isn't about producing massive horsepower or high top-end speed. It's about immediate, usable power in all off-road conditions. This engine is lightweight, responsive, and precise. Twist the throttle, and the bike reacts instantly. There's no lag, no soft power curve, no compromises. This is a two-stroke engine designed to deliver adrenaline at every twist of your wrist. The combination of lightweight and explosive power makes the WR250 feel alive in your hands, creating a connection that few motorcycles can replicate. This is a bike that demands skill, but it rewards it tenfold. On city streets or gravel roads, the WR250 feels nimble and responsive. It's compact, which allows you to maneuver tight corners, avoid obstacles, and navigate uneven surfaces without hesitation. Every movement is precise, and every action is met with an immediate reaction from the motorcycle. This instant feedback loop is what makes riding the WR250 both challenging and exhilarating. It teaches you as a rider how to trust your instincts and refine your technique with every mile. Now, take it off the pavement, and the WR250 reveals its true character. Loose dirt, gravel, mud, and uneven surfaces are not obstacles, they're opportunities. The bike's lightweight chassis and long travel suspension allow it to absorb bumps and shocks while maintaining control. The suspension, carefully tuned for aggressive off-road riding, ensures the bike remains stable without becoming harsh or fatiguing. Standing on the pegs, you feel completely in command. Weight shifts are translated instantly, and the bike responds with precision. Riding becomes an extension of your instincts, a conversation between machine and rider that grows more intuitive the longer you ride. One of the defining traits of the WR250 is its ability to provide feedback. The suspension communicates the terrain to your hands and feet. You can feel rocks, roots, and ruts, which allows you to adjust in real time. This feedback builds confidence, making riders feel more capable and connected to both the motorcycle and the environment. The bike doesn't hide challenges, it exposes them, teaching riders how to tackle technical terrain with finesse. Over time, you become a better rider, not just on this bike, but on every off-road motorcycle you encounter. The WR250 is built for precision. The disc brakes, both front and rear, provide strong and consistent stopping power. The front uses a 260mm disc, while the rear uses a 220mm disc, giving you balanced control even under intense conditions. This braking system isn't designed to be forgiving, it's designed to be effective. Proper technique is rewarded, and riders who understand how to modulate the brakes will feel the full advantage of this system. Despite its aggressive nature, the WR250 is surprisingly practical for a two-stroke off-road machine. Maintenance, while more involved than a four-stroke engine, is straightforward for riders willing to stay on top of it. Pre-mix fuel, regular inspection of the drivetrain, and care of the suspension are all part of the process, and these tasks reinforce the sense of mastery and ownership that comes with riding this type of motorcycle. The WR250 doesn't hide its needs. It expects engagement from the rider, and that engagement creates a bond that is difficult to replicate on more automated machines. Riding the WR250 is an immersive experience. It's not a motorcycle you ride casually, it's a motorcycle you feel. Every twist of the throttle, every shift in weight, every turn of the wheel is magnified. It's a bike that constantly challenges your reflexes, skill, and awareness, and the reward is a pure sense of accomplishment. Trail riding, technical climbs, and fast sections become opportunities to connect with the bike and push your limits safely. This connection also teaches patience and timing. Aggressive two-stroke power requires careful modulation, which encourages smooth inputs and mindful riding. Riders quickly learn how to anticipate the bike's reactions, plan their lines, and use momentum effectively. The WR250 doesn't let you get away with a sloppy technique. It forces you to ride correctly, and that creates better riders over time. The lightweight frame of the WR250, weighing just over 100 kilograms, allows incredible agility. You can pick it up after a drop, change directions quickly, and carry it over challenging obstacles when needed. This balance of weight and power is what makes it so effective in off-road conditions. Every element of the bike is designed to maximize performance while minimizing unnecessary bulk. It's a philosophy that has kept the WR250 at the top of enduro and trail riding for decades. Even after extended rides, the ergonomics remains supportive. The seat allows for easy movement while standing or sitting, and the upright, aggressive riding stance reduces fatigue. Unlike many modern motorcycles that rely on electronic aids to compensate for design compromises, the WR250 relies on precise engineering and rider skill. This creates an experience that is not just thrilling but deeply rewarding. Fueling the R250 is a balance of power and efficiency. While it's not a long-range touring machine, its fuel consumption allows for extended trail sessions without constant stops. The lightweight engine and minimalistic design contribute to fuel efficiency while maintaining performance. Riders can focus on riding rather than worrying about fuel, allowing full immersion in the experience. Over time, the WR250 becomes more than just a motorcycle. It becomes a teacher, a challenge, and a companion. Every ride enhances your skill set, your awareness, and your confidence. It pushes you to learn better, throttle control, weight distribution, and line selection. It punishes mistakes but rewards mastery. And that's why riders return to the WR250 year after year for decades. This is not a casual machine. It's not built for commuting or convenience. It's built for passion, for skill, for intensity. It's a motorcycle that tests who you are as a rider and pushes you to be better. And that's why the Husqvarna WR250 continues to be one of the most respected and beloved motorcycles in the off-road world. It's not flashy. It doesn't compromise. It doesn't pretend to be anything other than what it is. A focused, powerful, and exhilarating machine that challenges the rider and rewards engagement. This is a motorcycle that defines what riding should feel like: raw, real, and unforgettable. This is Acer Rider. Ride sharp, ride skilled, ride with purpose. Because some motorcycles aren't meant to take you from point A to point B. They're meant to teach you how to ride, how to react, and how to connect with every twist, bump, and turn along the way. The Husqvarna WR 250 is one of those rare machines that transforms riding into something more than a hobby. It becomes a passion, a test, and ultimately a reward. Disclaimer: some specifications, performance details, and interpretations in this script are based on historical Husqvarna WR 250 data and AI-generated projections for a modern version, and may not represent any official 2026 Husqvarna release or confirmed specifications.